Step into the 2013 Hyundai Accent. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are heated mirrors, rear head airbag, stability control, driver airbag, passenger airbag, bucket seats, traction control, and driver vanity mirror. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.